My name is Michael. I'm the company here in Houston, Texas called J&B Insurance and Taxes. And I'm reaching out to our current income tax clients and hopefully our future income tax clients. So one of the biggest things that I want to talk about is our use of an online portal. So what this online portal does is this stores your information, your W-2s, your Schedule C information for your small business, or your side hustle. It stores your 1099s, your IDs, your dependent information, etc., etc. Every single year you work with us, you got to upload the same information, such as your driver's license, dependent information. You got to fill a form out, basically make sure you're using the same address. You have a section where you can send messages if anything has changed, like an email or a cell phone number. This is very, very important because it helps us work with you to get your returns processed quicker. It helps cut down data misentry. It also helps put down a framework of what you sent us for you to file your taxes. So it protects you and it protects us. And it's a great way in case you lose ID or in case you lose a proof of verification for a dependent, or you could lose some business documents. This is one more additional source that you can use to store information. It's very important for you to realize that this information that you control the access to that portal. So on our back end, we see what you inputted. We don't store your password. We store your social for tax purposes, but the password is something that you're responsible for. Save your password. Save it in the browser. If you're not comfortable saving your password in your browser, maybe you're using a computer where you have multiple users. Make sure you write that password down, or you store it in your phone, or you store it somewhere in your email. We can keep track of it. If you do not keep track of the password and you lose it, it's a small problem. The responsibility of resetting it falls strictly on you. You're responsible for resetting that password. We don't keep passwords here. We do keep a lot of very valuable information, and we also store extraordinary safety behind locked doors, away from anybody else that comes to this office. But your passwords are your passwords. You need to make sure that you keep track of them. Pardon me. If you got questions about our portal, we're going to start accepting tax returns on January 2nd. If you're ready to go, we can give you an estimate. If you're not ready to go, we cannot electronically file you at all. And this mostly applies to our clients who have questions about the refund advance loan. I mean, so as much as we want to get things out the door for you as quick as possible, the correct answer is if you're ready to file, you have your W-2s, you have your tax documents, and your 1099s, not your last paycheck stub, but your W-2s and 1099s, and your final tax documents, you're ready on January the 2nd, then you're good to go. Most of the people will be ready that early. Will be people who work self-employed, people who work for smaller companies, or people who might have worked one particular job and have a good relationship with their payroll, or their immediate supervisor, and they're able to get those early documents extraordinarily early. Most people we expect to start filing after January the 20th. You got any questions about this particular process, about our portal, how it works? And then, because the portal is free, by the way, or anything in general about taxation, federal taxation that is, going to 2024, reach out to us direct, 713-340-7963. That's 713-340-7963. Say who you are, state your question, and then we'll get you in front of somebody to help you, okay? Thank you very much. It's Mike. I look forward to talking to you soon, okay?